Do you like it?
Bad deal.
Hey guys, welcome back to another POV. Today I'm heading out to shoot with the 85mm 1.4 Samyang, which you all know my opinion on. It's insane. All of today's photos are edited with my presets. I predominantly use moody feels and deep blue. There's 114 to choose from. I've used them over the last 6 years. They're down in the description, £10, 114. And at the end of this video, I'll be going through the hashtag OpticalWander, where you guys can show me your work. Whew. Okay, car parked. Oh, it's so light. The Samsung 85 1.4 is honestly incredibly light. This is a little bit cheaper on the build quality, but it's just so much lighter. I find it so nice to work with. Bye car. We're heading out. Might as well get a shot of the car. There's a puddle just down here. See this tiny little puddle? We're gonna jump down here. We're gonna see if we can get some reflection of the ceiling lights in there with the car. Bam. Get the car nice and in focus. Look at that. Oh, don't know how the hell you get out of this place. I assume just straight up the ramp. Okay, so the goal of today is just to be out and get some shots. There's a doorman here, which could work out pretty good. See if we can get him, because he's got a glove on his shoulder. I kind of just want to get the glove. Can I just get a shot of your glove? You've got a glove just on here, not necessarily your face. Just yeah. I mean, I can get your face if you want to. I get a bit of both. It's pretty nice actually. I just want to get one like detailed shot of the glove, if that's all right. Thank you for this. Really appreciate it. I like the badge as well. Is that for this place? Yeah. It's really nice. So that's the detailed shot. So you've got the badge and the glasses, and then the other shot. Let me just get one more shot actually face on, if that's all right. Sorry. You look great. Thank you. Sorry. Cheers, mate. Have a nice one. Okay, sweet. 18. Oh, that last one. Whew. That 85mm 1.4 it's just something else, isn't it? So I was going for like a detailed shot of the glove just over the shoulder. He had this little pin on, which looked really nice. And I just thought it was, you know, kind of artsy. Now, I came out on a Sunday night because, well, typically Sundays are quieter in London. If you want the quietest, now everything's going back to normal. If you want the quietest time, Sunday mornings is the one to go for. Okay, so I'm coming on to Piccadilly now. I mean, there's definitely going to be some characters around. Just gotta find the right framing. It's not quite the angle I want. I'm gonna get one now. So I just take a step back. Bam, done. That's one ticked off the list. Okay, so next one, let's look for other details that I can use. Okay, so before I push down onto Chinatown, let's get this shot here. Okay, so I've got a bunch of shots there of the demonstrations, but I was looking at mostly the smoke flare he's got, because it was, I mean, look at it, it's very dramatic. Let's push down to Chinatown. I'm gonna do some bits and pieces now during the day, and then I'm gonna wait around until it gets dark, and then I'll do some night stuff as well. I've got another POV coming out this week where I'm using the 50mm 0.95. Good God. Hey guys, what do you reckon? Should I do the Tesla that color? I was thinking about making the Tesla, like wrapping the Tesla. If anyone has any suggestions on colors, let me know. I mean, it looks quite nice there. I mean, I've got the wrong lens on, but we'll get a shot of it because, well, why not? Maybe I'll just get the front end. Front end's really nice. So we'll just get the front end of it. And again, let's go with the details. And let's just have a look around the car to see what details we can find. So obviously you have the alloys. You've got, let's have a look. And let's get a nice detailed shot, maybe of the lights or something. Kind of like just facing down the side of it. That's nice, let's step back a bit. I mean, again, it would be nice if I had a wider lens on me, but sticking with the 85 today. We've got this reflection here. We're going to try and get kind of someone's head or face in it. Okay, so I've set the focus. Hey, you right?
Are you Sam?
Yeah, I am. How's it going?
Nice to meet you, man. I follow you on Instagram.
Oh, really?
We literally see all the photos I was showing you of here.
What's your Instagram? As always, guys, it's lovely to meet you. If you do see me while I'm out, just come and say hello. Don't be shy. I've now nailed that focus, thankfully, because she was stood in the middle of the road. Now I'm literally just gonna wait for somebody to walk in the right place.
Follow you on YouTube, man.
Oh, really?
Love your work.
Cheers, man. Thank you.
Honestly, I've been watching loads of you. Like, I've just moved to London like yesterday.
How you find? I know you've only been here a day, but how are you finding it?
What, in London?
I think we actually got a shot that was usable. Okay, sweet. Right, let's head down this way. It is obviously dropping in light, which is great for me. That's what I want. So let's kind of transition. I had a drink. The drink is on the side. I mean, I shouldn't probably go back and get it, but let's wait till it gets darker and see how we go. We'll get some stuff on the way, but we're gonna wait till it gets dark now. Get that low light stuff. I was hoping it was gonna rain, but we'll do a rainy POV coming soon. Okay, so there's a puddle just here. I'm gonna wait for this car to move when he decides to move. And I'm gonna get a nice reflection shot because you can get a similar shot to what we were doing before. So I'm gonna pop the focus there.
Get out of the way.
The position I'm in, you can see. Bam, look at that, absolute gold. You've got the top half of that dude's body in the reflection, and then you've got the bottom half on the, it's so weird. I love these trippy shots, absolutely love it. One of the things Covent Garden is known for is this tunnel here. It's two people taking a photo. If you don't know where it is, if you go straight down there, you've got Leicester Square. You literally walk straight towards Covent Garden from Leicester Square, and it's on the right hand side here. Look, it looks great. Do you have an email? I can send it to you if you want.
Oh, I've got a card.
I mean, do you want to see it before I'm like, yeah. Do you like it?
Bloody hell.
I think I'm
Look at this.
Oh, wow. Fantastic.
So when you're out, just make sure you're interacting with people as much as you can. I mean, the dude asked me if I could take a photo of them. Of course I'm going to say yes. And just took their email down so I could send it over to them. I mean, I think you'll agree that the photo turned out really good, actually. It's really sick. They both had a good energy, which is nice. And, you know, the whole point of photography and being a creative is kind of bringing out that connection. That's the whole point of what we do, right? Okay, so I'm going to try and get a panning shot super close, and I think I'm being very ambitious, but we're going to try. Kind of lost focus a little bit, but I mean the aesthetics in that one is really nice. Let's see if we can get someone on the bus. I think I may have got someone then. Ah, the lighting on that, oh my god. This 85 just kills me up. I love it. Okay, taxi. I absolutely love this 85. It's like, I don't think it's actually possible to take a bad photo on an 85 1.4. It's just godly. Let's get a shot of this dude. He's wearing a mask. Still on a green light. We can get this. Okay, we'll go side on. Push it down to 100th of a second. Step back. Got some nice colours in there. I mean, I kind of miss taking photos of the buses because like you get so much out of it. I know that sounds silly, but like you get obviously the driver, you get the characters in the bus, you get the lighting. Like look at the lighting on this bus. I mean, it's just next level. Okay, you got one of these petty things coming down here. Let's see if we can get him. Send it to you? I can. Do you have an email or something?
Yeah, email, yeah. That's it.
What was your name?
Abdul.
It's me, I'm Sam. Okay, nice simple shot here of the bus over there. The people crossing in front of the lights. Oh, that's... Honestly, this 85 is just... It's next level. I mean, you don't need anything special, you just need the lens. No, I'm not saying go and get the Samyang especially, but go and get a 85mm. Either it's the 1.8 Sony or whatever, it doesn't matter what camera you shoot on, just get an 85mm. The focal length you will absolutely love. Because it's just, oh my god, absolutely missed this so much. I can't wait to look at that shot. Panning shot, that was 50th of a second, f1.4, ISO 200, woman on the phone in the back of the bus, got the lights as the bokeh, just, oh my god. Okay, so I'm just walking down towards Bond Street, and I just wanted to share this with you because I don't think I've ever mentioned it before, and it's a little tip. So if you've got a 50mm or 85mm or a 35mm or whatever actually, and you don't have any products to show for your portfolio or anything like that, and you haven't, you know, walk down a street like this, you don't even have to be in London, any street, and just simply, you know, it's there for you. It's on a nice, you know, it's like sitting there nicely. You can just go ahead and use this for your portfolio. So again, as I was just saying about products, you could do the same with car windows like this. So you can obviously see the front end of this Bentley, which you can just, again, go ahead and shoot. Let's get the front emblem. You can't really tell because of the bokeh. You can't tell that it's in a shop. Obviously you don't want to like stand back and get like everything because it just looks a bit, well, a bit shit, but you can get the details for sure, like the front grille, the alloys, etc, etc. Okay, they're just like bland shots, but they work. Talking of Bentley, there's a meet coming up soon with the UK shooters, which I'm going to be going along to. I'm not entirely sure, you know, who else is going to be there, but I'm going to be going along to do a POV, and they're going to have a Bentley to shoot, so it would be cool to get those shots. Standing shot actually of the driver. I think I actually got that as he was moving. So like I said, I'm going to be heading back out this week to do another POV with the 50mm 0.95. Now the 50mm 0.95 is from 7 Artisan, I can never say the name correctly. Someone's even told me how to say it properly, but I can never say. I always want to say I kind of want one of maybe a taxi or something. Is that a taxi coming now? It is. I mean, it's very bright. Oh my god, that last shot I think turned out sick. I'm gonna push down towards Piccadilly and then probably end it around there. I want to get maybe some more detailed shots depending on who's in the bus stops and stuff like that. I want to maybe get a panning shot as well. Maybe this is a good location to get a panning shot. No, I'll push down to Piccadilly. It's not, because of the 85, it's too punched in. Okay, we got one of those guys again on a bike and a bus coming towards me. So we'll see if we can kind of get both at the same time. Nice. 100th of a second as they walk through. Maybe even the dude on his own. Whoever goes into the frame first will get them. I'm going to get a set of panning shots now on Piccadilly. I've got a 10th of a second, f2.5, ISO 100. I'm going to try and get a selection of stuff and see what is available. Bus. Okay, got that one on the bus. Coming around this way. Bam. Got that one while we're waiting. Okay, I'm just going to use this as like a kind of a bit of foreground. Get the cyclist here. Okay, let's get one shot from this side of the bus with the reflection of Piccadilly. Okay, right. Let's jump into the hashtag and see which photos you guys have been shooting this week. So excited to see what you've been up to. And again, got another POV coming out this week with the 50mm 0.95. Before we jump into the hashtag, all of today's photos were edited, good lord, with my presets. I know. If you guys don't follow me over on Instagram, then you know that I've just moved house, which means that I'm having to set up shitty rigs by balancing lights on the edge of countertops. So if you do follow me over on Instagram, then you know I just moved flats, apartments. I'll show you guys this flat. It is much bigger. Before I was in a studio, now I'm in a 2-bed with a great view. I'll show you all in a future video. I'm going to be going back to daily content in about a week and a half. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you get notified when I do upload. Let's jump into the hashtag and see what you guys have been shooting over the last couple of days. So screen record is on. Going over to the most recent of the hashtag, doing a little refresh, and going from the top one. We've got a nice little jumping spider here from Nikon Clicker. That's really nice. Next one down is from shoots.ds, nice little portrait shot. Summer vibes, obviously in the northern hemisphere. It is currently summer, so yeah, summer vibes. Next one, that is a dramatic nighttime shots by Frames by Frames. Nice, I do love low light stuff. I'm hoping that it's going to rain soon. I've got a new POV coming out soon with the 50mm 0.95 from 7 Artisan. I'm hoping to go out and shoot it in the rain. Manual lens, rain, crazy bokeh, you get the vibe. Next one, Ian Hargraves, nice, I like that. Next one here from Tommy Ash, maybe, I don't know how I'm saying that, if I'm saying it right. That's Barbican. I've never actually shot Barbican. I've shot around Barbican, but I've never actually shot Barbican itself like this. Maybe I should do an entire POV just in Barbican. Also, I've dedicated my time now specifically to YouTube and Instagram. That's all I'm doing, 100%. So lots of content coming and lots of trips. There is an exciting meetup coming in September. Lock that in. Very exciting. Next one here is by Adam Shaw. Love that. Next one here is by Helena PGY. Nice little portrait. Kind of like I don't know if it is a holiday shot, but it looks kind of like a, you know, nice touristy holiday shot. Next one here is from Adam Bentley of these Chinese lanterns. Now, one reason I do like Chinatown is because of the lanterns itself, and hopefully as restrictions slowly start opening up and as the world starts going back to normal, I'm hoping to go and head over to maybe China, maybe potentially Tokyo. It's on the list. It's very high on the list. Going down, again, another one from Adam Bentley. Just gonna scroll past yours, dude, because obviously I want to get through everyone. This one is from Camera Lizard Photos. Dude, thank you again for coming to the meetup, and anyone that did come to the meetup, I do really appreciate you. And there's another meetup coming in September. Details will be released, but it will be here in London. The next meetup will be here in London. I am starting to plan trips. When I know exactly where I'm going, we'll do a meetup in that place. This one from 321 Capture. Sick look-up shot over in Canary Wharf. This one from Lewis B Photography. Nice panning shot. As you saw today, panning shots, they're just great. If you don't know how to do a panning shot, lower the shutter speed, up the f-stop, or put an ND filter on, and Bob's your uncle. Enjoy. This one here, nice subtle portrait shot, and I love the different tones in this one. From Photos by Anne. That's sick. I've never been to Finland, but got a friend there, Kimmy. I should definitely need to link up. Let's do two more. These ones here of some product shots of a Lego man, and then this one here from Script. I like that. I like a little play on word there, from Barcelona. Hopefully sorting something out in Barcelona soon. So if you are Barcelona based or around Barcelona, maybe I'll do a meetup there and you can come and say hello. Next one from I can't pronounce your name, I'm sorry. And let's do this one, another one from Barcelona, and we'll do this last one from Shane, which is a nice street shot. That last one, oh, that vibe, sick. With all that being said, create more, stress less, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.